भाई चलो यार, हो गया कितना तो वही तो। करण सर यहाँ पे अंदर सेटल हो जाते हैं। अंदर यार, अंदर बाइट हो जाएगा उनका। अरे भाई करण सर क्या कर रही है? हाँ मैं वही सोच रहा था
अंदर चलते ना।
चलो लेट्स गो इनसाइड। यहीं पे हाँ, लेकिन ऊपर से नीचे तक लीक ऊपर ही मिले। कैसे हैं?
कॉफी पहले
अरे
कॉफी पहले चाहिए था।
अरे सीधा वहाँ से आओ ना, कौन बता मैं तो थोड़ा सा शक्ल ठीक करने गया।
दूर से यहाँ से खड़े, यहाँ से लो, यहाँ से लो। अंदर जाएगी मत, अंदर जाएगी मत।
ये आएगा ना।
अरे वो घूमेगा घूमेगा, रुक ना।
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा।
घूमेगा वो, अंदर जाओगे तो एकदम पास जाओगे।
From my school days to my college days.
Yeah. It's an iconic denim brand.
Yes.
And we call ourselves as master of denim. So who better than a master of denim to become a master of innovation?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we are going this sustainable way, where we are, there are a lot of litters around the world already. So all the recycled polyesters, recycled plastic bottles, and all those things are taken care of. But everybody has ignored the most littered waste in the world, which is the cigarette packet. We just choose to,
And the worst
yes,
when it comes to pollution.
Yeah, it's the most dangerous, most harmful one, because once we smoke, all those harmful substances, they get collected into the pipe.
And cigarette butts they're not
biodegradable.
They're not biodegradable.
Yeah, absolutely not. So they are there in the environment for very, very long time.
Yes.
So eventually all this goes to the ocean and kill the marine life.
Yes.
So we have taken up this initiative where we'll be.
And this is an Indian initiative, not like a Lee Cooper worldwide. This is been
so,
done here.
Yes.
The
This
Lee
is
Cooper India team.
Lee Cooper
That's
India
that's fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's crazy.
So we have taken up this initiative. We cannot stop people from, littering around.
Yes.
But the least that we can do is, do something better out of the.
Pick their litter up and make some and make them clothes.
Absolutely.
अगर उठा नहीं सकते तो पहन लो.
Yeah. So we have a very interesting collection of denims, as you can see here. So some lovely washes. We have some very good fabrics.
And even the printed shirts and everything.
Yeah. So you can see we have lovely collection of prints.
Yes. Nikhil?
Some very
That's pretty cool.
very trendy embroidered shirts. Some textured shirts as well.
Oh, this I like.
Yeah.
It's pretty much how I roam around over here. Even this is yours.
Yeah. Good to see you wearing that.
Yeah. Should we go to the venue?
Yeah. Right. We have our shirt collection here. Some lovely checks.
Properly good. Received from foreign university.
Yeah. Sure. And also our polo range, which essentially talks about this is a London brand. See a lot of
अरे मैं ट्रैवल करके आया, तुम लोग क्यों थके हुए हो? Yeah, thank you. You look so good. I love your whatever you done with your fashion. I wish it was made out of cigarette butts. I wish too. All right, boys and girls. I'm very excited to be here. We all know why we are here. What's happened with Lee Cooper is something very, very special because for the first time, I don't think I've heard something like this before. We've taken cigarette butts and we've made fashion out of it. I mean, cigarettes and fashions, here are two very, very different things. And combining them and taking care of pollution this way, in a sustainable way, I think fashion is very important for everybody here. I'm pretty sure. I mean, even if you look like me, my stylist won't approve. But fashion is something that has the language of all ages. It can be, my age, you guys, our parents, everybody. And we take something like this initiative. And by the way, this has not been done across the globe by Lee Cooper. This has been done by Lee Cooper India, which is something that we have to celebrate. I mean, this is something that we have done. This is something that is going to lead the way. People are going to get inspired by this. There are going to be people coming from all across the globe. They're going to be figuring out how did they do it. Kiya kaise inne? How did you guys figure this out? But see, cigarette butts is something that is not biodegradable. It's not gonna, it's not like paper or leaves or something like that, which gets okay with time. It takes hundreds and hundreds of years, and trust me, there are a lot of cigarette butts around. Lot of them. Even when when you're driving, I've seen. I'm sure you guys also know cigarette पी के खिड़की के बाहर जाता ही जाता है. हाँ, सी के शक्ल मत बनाओ, मुझे पता तुम करते हो. But imagine, I mean, you've just taken some of that guilt away from us. मैं नहीं पीता हूँ. And you've taken that guilt away from us. I want to know, how did this happen? Like, what was the thought process? एक दिन आप उठे, आपके हाथ में सिगरेट का बट था, और आपने कहा मैं इससे जीन्स बनाऊंगा. Something like that. Please let us know.
Guys, 1, 2, go! Big round of applause!
Beautiful.
Not bad, guys.
And these are made of cigarette butts, by the way.
I'm so glad I'm the first one to be holding this. That's something else.
It's a part of the history, and so is me, and so is everyone out here.
Woo!
So guys, this is made out of recycled material, and like you said, 600, the fabric that we use is made out of cigarette butts, recycling cigarette butts, almost 600 butts in one pair of jeans. The tags also that you see are made of eco-friendly paper. The buttons, the dreams that you see is everything made out of non-toxic and without using harmful chemicals. And moreover, as you know, the jeans usually have a plastic or a leather patch on the back, right? This is made out of wooden pulp, which is as natural as it can be. So, all yours, एक photo हो जाए, and then we can have that displayed.
This is me being part of history. So glad.
Just one more. One more. Just one. Then you put the flame also. This is our official flame now. Yeah, exactly. Which Lee Cooper owns. Yeah, we can do a photo op with this, and then we'll have that on display for everyone now. Take a look at it.
World's first cigarette butts.
Shivan, just hang that so that he can do so.
Today it was lovely having you guys. Please give it up for Karan Kundra. I hope you all are taking your photos and videos. Please don't forget to tag Lee Cooper India.
ये जीन्स वीन्स है ना. चलो ठीक है, उधर करें. चलो उधर करें.
अरे आप लाउड बोलेंगे
वहाँ पे स्पीकर विकर बजा, म्यूजिक म्यूजिक बजा।
Ask them, I'm okay, but I don't think they will like to have a.
पहले लॉन्च कर जाए फिर बाइट भी कर लेंगे कम कम कम
हम लोग कहाँ हैं आने पर इस्तेमाल बाय बाय गाइस
बाय बाय सर।